Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on Mailerlite, including a full review and walkthrough. Getting started is easy, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. Mailerlite is a user-friendly email marketing platform ideal for small businesses and startups. It features a drag-and-drop editor for easy email design, automation workflows for personalized marketing, and tools for managing subscribers and creating landing pages. Users can design visually appealing emails with customizable templates and track campaign performance with detailed analytics. The platform offers a generous free plan with up to 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 monthly emails. Paid plans provide additional features and higher limits, making them suitable for growing businesses. Mailerlite allows you to easily create and customize landing pages directly from the site menu. This feature lets you design pages tailored to your brand without needing external tools. Additionally, Mailerlite offers integration with various platforms to improve your email marketing efforts. By navigating to the Integrations section, you can connect Mailerlite with popular platforms like Shopify, WordPress, or Zapier, streamlining your workflow. The tool also enables you to create email campaigns, making it an all-in-one solution for managing your email marketing needs, from page creation to campaign execution. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.